Hey HubSpot users, this is Rajat from Ask Steve, and I want to show you how Ask Steve can help you really quickly get any information off of a web page. You can use AI to turn it into contacts or companies in HubSpot, all with one click. And so the easiest way to set up one of these one-click AI page scrapers is just to go into your HubSpot account and go to either contacts or companies in the menu here. We're going to go to contacts and try that out. We can see I've got 2 existing contacts that just came out of the box. The easiest way to set up the scraper now is to open up the Ask Steve side panel, go to tools and click on new. It's going to auto detect I'm on a HubSpot contact and ask me if I want to create a scraper tool. I'm going to say yes. And then if I haven't connected my HubSpot account yet, it's going to ask me to connect my account. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm currently using the developer test account. And then I'm going to hit save after I've done all my approvals. And then it says, go back to your document and press the new button again. All right, we're going to press the new button again. We're going to say yes. And then we've added a new HubSpot scraper tool that will scrape into contacts. So now let's go try and use it here. I'm going to highlight some people. Let's highlight all these people right here. Oh, I keep grabbing a part of the guy's name. Let's highlight all these people right there, that row of people, and just hit our button. Okay, and now what it's going to do is it's going to extract all that information from the web page and then use AI to put it in the right format for HubSpot and then actually write it into HubSpot. So I'll come back here, I'm going to reload my contacts, and we can see that all 4 of those people have now been added. Similarly, here I'm on a newspaper article and I see somebody's name and I'm like, oh, I should follow up with that person. Let me highlight them and then click my HubSpot button and it will tell me how many it added there. And so now if we go back and reload again, we will see that that person just got added. And then this is really cool. A lot of our work happens in Sheets, right? We're doing a lot of prep work in Sheets or gathering information in Sheets. Then you want to get all that information into HubSpot. And you got to do a lot of manual copying and pasting. But now, since Ask Steve can read Sheets, if you've connected your Google Sheets account, you can go here and press the button and it will read through this entire spreadsheet, generate all the correct information, and then write all those people into HubSpot. So it just added 10 records. So let's go take a look and see here. Oh, I think it might take a second for the API. There we go. And it's added those people all into HubSpot without me having to do any manual copying and pasting. Now, one thing you'll notice is that this will let me put in duplicates right now. It'll let me add people multiple times. But the way to fix that is to go into your tool and let's see, we'll find our tool, scrape into contact HubSpot. And then we can see a couple things here about this tool. Number one, just the way it's constructed. It's basically a long prompt that's telling the LLM, like, here are all the fields that you can fill in. And here's some data about the website and stuff. And here's a bunch of other hints. And then I want you to put stuff in a particular format and write it out so that we can write it to HubSpot. If you need to add more hints here, I usually do it right before step 2. And this is where you can add, like, if any extra hints you want if it's not filling in a particular field correctly. The other things to notice down here are under scrapers and APIs. You can see how this is built. It's connecting to my HubSpot and it's writing to contact, but we also support company. And if you do add like extra fields or something, you can always regenerate the prompt right here. Now, the thing I wanted to show you was under advanced settings. Right now, it always adds new records, but you can say you want it to skip duplicates. And if you want it to skip duplicates, you pick the fields that you care about that you want it to match on. So I'm going to say company and first name, and there's a lot of HubSpot fields, and then last name. Hit update and then save. Okay, so now it will not add any duplicates. So let's go look here. We've got some people from the top of this list. So let's try and add all these people here. And I think at least one of these is a duplicate. So let's try and add, and let's see what happens. So it'll say added 0, skipped 5, and failed 0. So it skipped all of these people. They were all in the list already, which actually is the case. So it was smart enough to skip all the duplicates now, so you don't need to have manually go through and parse out all those people. The last thing I'll show you is just how to manage this particular connection. Click this gear icon right here. It takes you to the connections page where you can see your list of connections. You can create a new one. You can see all the different services that we support here. And then you can click on your connection to change the name or reconnect it, or click on the trash can icon to delete it. So give it a try. Let us know how it goes. And if you have any questions, hit us up